All right, guys, welcome to another episode of Best Damn Self. I'm Nurse Farynheight. Make sure you subscribe and like below. Also, make sure your notifications are turned on so you are up to date on all the videos that we post on Wellness Wednesdays. Today, we're going to be talking about one of my favorite places in the whole wide world. We are going to go grocery shopping, and I am going to set you guys up for success to make healthy decisions while you are shopping. So first things first, do not go hungry, okay? If you go hungry, you're gonna wanna eat up every single thing that you see in the aisle. So make sure you have a nice lunch, a nice dinner, a nice breakfast. Make sure you are full, okay? Next, one of the most important things, you're gonna wanna make sure you always make a list, okay? It doesn't matter how long the list is, just make a list so you have a direction on where you're going and you can visually see exactly what you plan on putting in your stomach. So always be on the lookout for deals because I know I am, and why buy one when you can buy one and get one free? Now, if you guys notice, the fruits and the vegetables on the perimeter of the store and all the processed, I would say junk, is more in the aisles. So you're gonna wanna shop the perimeter of the store, especially when you first get there. That's where all the colorful fruits, all the nutritious stuff is. Always make sure you are choosing real foods, okay guys? And also choose lean meats such as chicken breast, salmon, top sirloin, just so you're not getting a lot of the fat content. It's also smart if you guys know how to read food labels. And the thing that I always go by is if you can't read it, do not eat it. And you're gonna wanna make sure that the items that you are picking up have foods with less than 5 ingredients. So you're gonna wanna avoid foods with more than 5 ingredients. Don't be afraid to shop for frozen and canned fruits and vegetables, okay? Just choose the frozen fruits and vegetables that do not have any sauce or any added sugar. One of the favorite apps that I use when I'm going shopping, especially if I'm shopping and I'm looking at a product that I don't normally eat, I love to pull out the Fooducate app. It is super convenient and you can scan almost any item there is. The way that it works is you just open it up, scan the barcode on the food item that you're trying to purchase, and it'll give it a grade. If you click the Y button near the grade, it'll go into detail as to why that grade was given. So guys, not all candy and junk food is bad, especially in moderation. So I had to go and get myself some dark chocolate because come on, who doesn't love chocolate? It's amazing. So guys, I hope I set you up for grocery shopping success. Make sure you use some of the tips, if not all, the next time you go to your local grocery store. I hope these have helped you guys. Let me know some of your guilty pleasures when you go grocery shopping in the store and some things that you find helpful when grocery shopping. Make sure you subscribe and like if you like this video. I will be posting a video every single Wednesday for Wellness Wednesdays. I'm Nurse Farynheight. Make sure you follow us at Best Damn Self on Instagram and follow me at Nurse Farynheight. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely leave any comments or suggestions you have for the future. See you next time.